Hello, my name is Artsy Blanco, the Artsy Sister, and I recently did a poll in my the YouTube section of the blog area where I had my followers pick between four different very popular art types, and the winner of that one was the Labyrinth art type. If you're not, you've probably seen it a lot in like competitive play, but not so much in like physical world stores or anything because the labyrinths are a bit of some like expensive cards and all of that. And I don't personally own a labyrinth card, so I just use for my drawings. It's just like an online reference. More specifically, I decided to sketch out Lady Labrynth of like the Silver Castle and all of that. So I couldn't decide whether I wanted to make this fan art with watercolor paintings or like digital art. So then I did. So then after sleeping on it, I decided to just do both, and that's what you're seeing over here in like this video. And on one side you have like me doing the watercolor painting, and on the other me doing like using like for Adobe Photoshop and stuff in order to like make the make like the digital art version. Cause I'm like very familiar with like both ways of like producing art. Cause like usually I do like the watercolor paintings to make like the fancy front covers of like my books. But and then I also do digital art a lot in order to make like the hilarious Hollow Knight fan art. So I'm proficient with both techniques. And I guess the viewer, you can be the judge of which one ended up coming out better. And since I was like redoing the drawing but like in digital art format, I decided to use like a different color scheme because in one of them, because in the watercolor one I went for like a more flashy like background and all of that. But then when I started doing it like that, the same thing in like the digital art version, I've been like, me, that's boring. I just draw like a different version. Cause even the labyrinth card comes in like different flavors. The one that's in Japan the Japan version, it has like fancy rainbow holographics, while the American print doesn't have. It's more monochromatic in like its color hues and stuff. So then that's how I ended up picking like the two. So that's why I ended up settling for like the monochromatic version in the digital art, in like the digital drawing. So I hope you find I'm using everything that went into the making of like this fan art. And if you see one of those like polls and all of that in like the poll section, that's whenever I'm asking you to choose between like cards or different people and all of that. It's just mostly that I'm in the middle of like brainstorming like a fan art and all that, so that gives you your chance, so that's your perfect chance to influence what the fan art is gonna be. So so don't forget to like pick for your favorite once you see those polls. Bye bye and God bless.